Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen if you're new here, and I'm obsessed with decorating, especially for the holidays. So today's video is going to be video number 1 of 12-ish days of Christmas. I say 12-ish because I'm kind of a procrastinator, kind of a slacker, and I can't guarantee that I'm gonna get 12 videos back to back to back, but I'm hoping to get 12 even if I take like a day or two break in between. So I know you guys will be lenient with me. Don't make me regret trying to do this. I did it last year, but this year's a little bit crazier, so I'm gonna try my best. So for the first video, I thought it would only be fitting to do a little bit of a haul. I want to give you guys a reminder as well about a big sale that you guys were very grateful that I reminded you of this time last year. And then I'm going to show you how I decorate with a few of the items that I'm sharing with you. So yeah, we're killing a few different birds with one stone. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. So let's jump into it. Okay, first I want to remind you guys that December 1st, 2018, it is a Saturday, is Candle Day at Bath & Body Works. Candle Day is when the candles are on sale for $8.95, and there is not another sale where they will be cheaper. Not for Black Friday, which is already passed, not for semi-annual sale, not any random sale during the year. This is the cheapest you can get them, and you can stack your coupons. So I'm going to leave a video linked down below from last year. I made a video last year on Candle Day. I got up at the butt crack of dawn. My store was open at 5 a.m. I shopped, I filmed, I edited, and I uploaded before you guys were even awake and reminded you guys all of the sales. So I wanted to do that this year, but I have a different video planned for Saturday, so I don't think I'll be uploading a Candle Day video. That's why I'm reminding you now. And I'm just gonna show you a few candles that I picked up in the past couple weeks that I can recommend to you for Candle Day. So if you have questions, leave them down below. I will answer. But also you can feel free to check out last year's video because it's the same thing, and I talk about a lot of tips and tricks in that video as well. So number 1, champagne toast. If you are gifting candles to a female this holiday season, or even a male, this is the candle you want to get because they can burn this all Christmas long, all winter long, into spring, and I would burn this year round, honestly. And the packaging is so cute. It's just pink. I think like a season neutral candle is the way to go when you're gifting, but that's just me personally, and that smells like a really sweet kind of fruity champagne. I also love crushed candy cane. This smells exactly like candy cane. It is different than twisted peppermint. It's a lot sweeter, sugary, not vanilla, just like sugary, pepperminty kind of a thing. So I love this one, and it comes in the ugly sweater packaging, but it also comes in the White Barn frosted glass jars in this color. You guys, I am trying to talk fast because I already filmed this and it was like 30 minutes long, so I'm trying to get through this quickly. Also, peppermint marshmallow. This smells like fluffy vanilla marshmallowy with a hint of peppermint. This is really good if you're a gourmand lover. This almost reminds me a little bit of the mint latte, but this is a lot less cloying than that candle. If you liked that candle, I think you would probably like this, and the packaging is really cute, and it is just in like a very light minty color wax. So yes, if you are thinking about getting candles at all in December, make it this weekend. Definitely go as early as possible and call your store ahead of time to see what time they open in case you can get there early. So now let's move on. I just wanted to quickly share with a few of you who have been kind of following along in my hunt for Rae Dunn that I was able to score some red mugs in the wild. I didn't buy these off of Mercari or anything. I was so excited, and there were quite a few, and I left some behind because I don't resell and I don't buy to trade or anything like that. So I found a Mrs. Claus for a friend, and then I found a Santa's helper for myself, and I actually bought one for a friend as well. I also found a few other mugs, but those were my most exciting ones. And now I want to dig into my Decor home decor subscription box with you guys. I talked about them in the fall. They're amazing. It's a home decor subscription service that comes 4 times a year, quarterly, seasonally, however you want to look at it. You can buy one box or you can buy the whole year. It's up to you. I have a discount code. I'll link it below, as well as their website. And I love them because they give you substantial pieces, and from box to box, all the pieces kind of go together. They have the same vibe. You will end up with a very curated collection of decor if you get a couple boxes or all the boxes, whatever the case may be. They do send a few seasonal pieces. This box doesn't actually have anything that it could only be used for Christmas, in my opinion, which is great because you can use this stuff for more than just a month or two. So I can't wait to share it with you. I have already opened this and recycled all of the packaging, so they already sent me a sneak peek, so this isn't like a first impressions, but I hope you guys don't mind. By the way, when you open this box, it does come with an envelope on top, and usually when you watch unboxings, that's like the most boring part, when the person shows the envelope but not with deco crated. So first of all, in every box so far, this is only the second box, but they've done it in the fall and now the winter, they send you this little decor kind of card that's double-sided. So the one side is definitely more geared towards New Year's Eve and New Year's, but it says cheers in a bunch of different languages. And a lot of people decorate their like girl boss offices or beauty rooms or just anywhere in their home with champagne stuff year round. So I think you could use this year round. But the backside has all these trees and it says 'tis the season, and this is my color scheme. Like, this whole box is just my vibe for Christmas. It's so good. I'm so excited about it. This is really cute. I'm really happy with this. You could put it in any picture frame you want, but they did send a picture frame in the fall box. It also comes with this little sheet that tells you like basically the winter information, the key elements, key colors, accent colors, what's included, and so on and so forth. And then on the back it says that if you refer a friend, they will get 10% off and you will get 10% off your next box. So that's really nice that they offer that. And then they also send you a bookmark. It says that box and bookmark are made from recycled material, so that's always great, very important to me. And then they send you a pamphlet as well. This is quite possibly the most helpful pamphlet that has ever existed. Not only does it show you what's inside of the box, but it also shows you styling tips and how you can use these things year round, because you may be tempted to think that you can only use the winter box during the winter, but they will show you examples of how to use these things year round. So first in this box, they have this adorable little kind of rustic red house lantern. You can put a flameless candle in here. It does say specifically to only use flameless. This little door opens, and it's really cute. This is roughly the same size as like the Target dollar spot ones, but it is metal and it feels really high quality, and it's just super adorable. I have the perfect spot for this. I'm looking at it right now. This spot needs a pop of red because I have just subtle pops of this exact color throughout my living room, and this is needed so desperately in one spot, so I'm so happy that I got this. I'm not going to take this out of the packaging. I'll show you the picture in the pamphlet, but they also sent this banner that's double-sided. One side is gold and white and it says Happy Holidays, and then the other side is black and white and it says Happy New Year. So here is the New Year side. It's on two separate strings, and here is the holiday side. Here is the string that they come on. It's just twine with clothespins, and they show you in the pamphlet that when the season's over, you can hang like your kids' artwork. You can use it to hang notes. If you don't want to use the actual banner flags, you can just hang Christmas cards from your banister. So definitely multifunctional. You don't have to put it away just at Christmas. I'm definitely going to use the Happy New Year side for a New Year's Day spread. So if you guys would be interested in seeing that, let me know. So I honestly cannot decide what my favorite thing from this box is. Everything is so good, but this is definitely towards the top of my list, and it is this plaid. It's like a beige kind of linen color plaid table runner, and this is totally my vibe for Christmas. I'm having a hard time telling if this is black or a dark green. Either way, it fits my theme because this dark green is my accent color. And I also have a ton of like black and white and beige and white plaid everywhere. So this is perfect. You can use this year round. If you're into like farmhouse style, you're probably drooling right now because this is it. But I'm really excited to put this on my table. I can't wait to show you how I decorate with this. So anyways, I totally love this. I'm gonna keep it up all winter long, probably in the spring, probably in the summer, I don't know. But yeah, I absolutely love this, and the quality is so nice on this as well. So I actually have 3 more things to share with you from the box. As I said in the beginning, they did send me a sneak peek to my email of what would be in the winter box. And this next piece that I'm going to share with you, I definitely thought it was going to be a lot smaller than this. So I was pleasantly surprised to see how grand and large this is. And it is this kind of like wood block sign. These are all little separate blocks, and there is plastic wrapping. I'm sorry if that blinds you, but it says "Let It Snow." And the other side says, "Bless this home," so you can use this year round. Last year, I did a video on after Christmas decorating, so decorating for winter. I live in the north, so it snows until basically June. It's just cold and snowy basically most of the year. So I like to decorate for winter with things that say like "Let It Snow" and have to do with snow. I don't reserve that just for Christmas. So if you guys want to see a video on how to decorate after Christmas, let me know. I will definitely share that with you. And of course, I will use this the rest of the year. And by the rest of the year, I mean for like 2 months when it's not snowing. Okay, so the last 2 items are so cute. I'm gonna have to just show you one how I have it styled already because I was too excited. I had to start decorating with it immediately, and you'll see why I don't want to take it apart. But that'll be the last thing I show you. But I also am obsessed, totally gaga, who says that, over this galvanized metal wreath. It's so cute. It's a pretty decent size. It's not huge, but it's not teeny tiny either. It's definitely probably like a 12 to 14 inch, probably like a 12-inch wreath. So it does say that it's handcrafted. It says, "Please don't think any less of me because my imperfections, they make me unique." Same girl. I think we can all relate to that, right? So this, I love that this isn't cut out to look like evergreen or something like that. So you can use this year round. It just looks like generic green or leaf shapes, and maybe eucalyptus here. I don't know if you can see. And yeah, I have the absolute perfect spot for this, but I'm going to use this year round as well. And the last item from the box is this amazing olive bucket. This is a really generous size, you guys. I feel wrong comparing it to a garbage can because this is so nice, but it's roughly that size just for size comparison. And this is also handcrafted just like the wreath, which I think is amazing. I love the brassy gold accents. I am totally getting into that lately. And it has the holes like a traditional olive bucket. So I just tied leftover ticking stripe ribbon around it because I have that throughout my home. And then I filled it with the birch logs and some greenery and berries. I'll link the birch logs below because you guys ask me all the time. They are an Amazon Prime item. So yeah, this bucket is so amazing. I absolutely am obsessed with it. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was kind of a smorgasbord. Is that a word? I think that's a word, but I don't think that I say it right. It's a mashup of a few different kinds of things. I hope you don't mind. You guys can expect to see a coffee bar decorate with me coming up, my home tour, maybe some DIYs and some other stuff in my 12-ish days of Christmas. Let me know if you're excited for that, and if you have any requests for a video you'd like to see, because girl, I need some help with ideas, so help me out. If you're interested in Decor, I'll have them linked below. Thank you, Decor, for sending me this box. You guys will see all of this in my home tour also, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Happy holidays, everybody.